Introduction to LinkedIn, a beginner's guide to professional networking. In this video, you will learn how to create a profile, connect with professionals, and build opportunities. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional networking platform. It allows professionals to showcase their experience, connect with colleagues and employers, discover job opportunities, and share professional knowledge. Think of LinkedIn as your online professional identity. LinkedIn can help you build a professional reputation, connect with colleagues and industry experts, discover job and career opportunities, stay informed about industry trends. Over 900 million professionals use LinkedIn worldwide. Creating your LinkedIn account. To get started, 1. Visit linkedin.com. 2. Click Join Now. 3. Enter your name, email, and password. 4. Follow the setup instructions. Creating an account takes less than 5 minutes. Your LinkedIn profile is like your digital resume. Include a professional profile photo, a clear headline, work experience, education, skills and accomplishments. A complete profile helps others understand who you are professionally. You can use LinkedIn to share professional updates, comment on industry topics, celebrate achievements, publish articles. Engaging with others helps build visibility and credibility. Connecting with others. LinkedIn allows you to connect with colleagues, classmates, industry professionals, potential employers. Always include a short personal message when sending a connection request. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more helpful videos.